What industries hold the key to the next decade's economic success? As the world emerges from the pandemic, which sectors are set to thrive and shape our future? From technology to sustainable energy, which industries will lead the charge in innovation and profitability? In today's video, we will delve into the most profitable business sectors that are shaping our future. As the world emerges from the challenges of the pandemic, it's crucial to understand which industries are not only surviving but thriving. Which sectors will lead the way in innovation and profitability? Join us as we explore these top business sectors that are paving the path for growth and transformation in the years to come. Let's get started. But before we continue, we would like you guys to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell icon so you do not miss out on any amazing and entertaining content. Also, for more updates, be sure to visit our website regularly at cryptogalorenews.live and follow us on Instagram at cryptonewsgalore. Technology. The technology industry is set to benefit the most from this influx of capital. Tech companies are currently experiencing all-time high valuations, with startups like Stripe reaching nearly $100 billion in market capitalization. This unprecedented value creation is likely to inspire a new wave of startups focusing on cutting-edge technologies and achieving significant market valuations. The sector covers a wide range of innovations, including artificial intelligence, financial technology, and cybersecurity, all critical in today's digital economy. This surge of investment is not just about money. It's about the incredible potential of technology to change our lives and the world we live in. Healthcare. The healthcare and pharmaceutical industries are also expected to benefit significantly from investments post-COVID. Around the world, people have gained more respect for healthcare because of the successful development of vaccines, which has led to major investments in this field. Just in 2020, the healthcare sector attracted a record $80 billion in venture capital. This big influx of money is expected to lead to the creation of many billion-dollar companies globally, focusing on biotechnology, digital health, and improving healthcare infrastructure. This investment isn't just about money, it's about the potential to improve people's lives and healthcare around the world. Automotive. The automotive industry is on track to become one of the most profitable sectors in the years to come. Tesla, valued at nearly $1 trillion, leads the way in electric vehicles. Alongside Tesla, many new electric vehicle startups are getting ready to go public, hoping to achieve unicorn status. This shift towards electric cars and self-driving technology is not only changing what consumers want, but also how the entire industry operates. It's a big change that's happening fast, and it's creating lots of chances for new companies to succeed and for existing ones to adapt. Sustainable energy. The hydrogen economy is like a breath of fresh air in the world of energy innovation. It's expected to grow to a massive $11 trillion globally, and countries like Saudi Arabia and India are pouring in huge investments. This sector isn't just about making money, it's about making a positive change. By moving towards solar, wind, and hydroelectric power, we're not only cutting down on pollution, but also helping to build a cleaner, more sustainable future. It's exciting to think about how these investments could transform our energy landscape and create new opportunities for growth and innovation. Internet telecommunications and the internet are on the brink of a major expansion with the worldwide rollout of 5G technology. As 2 billion new users come online and connect to the internet for the first time, there's going to be a huge wave of content creation and the development of new apps in many languages. India's Reliance Jio, which gained an impressive 400 million users in just 4 years, shows how startups can thrive in this growing market. The internet sector covers digital advertising, social media, and cloud computing, all driving innovation and connecting people across the globe. This growth isn't just about making money, it's about creating new ways for people to communicate and share ideas, making our world more connected than ever before. Retail. The retail industry is undergoing a profound transformation due to the impact of e-commerce companies worldwide. These companies collectively generate a staggering $25 trillion annually, reshaping the retail landscape by challenging traditional models with innovative approaches. This disruption is creating new business ecosystems and models that were unthinkable just a decade ago. Retailers are adopting omnichannel strategies that merge online and offline experiences, while advancements in logistics and supply chain management are enhancing inventory control and customer service. This evolution is not just about adapting to change, but also about creating better shopping experiences and more efficient operations, improving how businesses interact with their customers. Agriculture is at a pivotal moment of transformation as we approach a global population of 9.2 billion by 2040. Innovations like hydroponics, vertical farming, and advanced agricultural technologies are revolutionizing how we produce food, aiming to meet the increasing demand for better quality and sustainable foods. This multi-trillion-dollar industry offers vast opportunities for entrepreneurs to build billion-dollar companies focused on improving agricultural productivity and ensuring food security for the future. It's not just about feeding more people, but also about ensuring that we do so in a way that is environmentally responsible and economically viable, making a positive impact on communities around the world. Space exploration is an incredibly exciting new frontier with immense potential for groundbreaking innovations. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are at the forefront, with SpaceX recently achieving a valuation of $74 billion. As the industry continues to develop, we can expect more companies to enter the field, reshaping the landscape and advancing technology and space exploration. Satellite communications, space tourism, and scientific research are expanding access to space-based services, driving economic growth and technological innovation. These advancements are not only beneficial for scientific discovery, but also for inspiring future generations and bringing us closer to understanding our universe. Digital hospitality. The hospitality industry is undergoing a digital transformation, driven by changes in travel patterns and accommodation preferences. Despite the challenges posed by COVID-19, Airbnb's IPO in 2020 soared to a $100 billion market capitalization. The short-term rental market is projected to reach $1.2 trillion globally, offering unique opportunities for property investments and generating passive income. Digital platforms are redefining the guest experience with personalized booking options and contactless services, driving growth and innovation in the hospitality sector. Real estate is set for substantial growth, despite the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic, particularly in commercial real estate. Home investors are reigniting interest in real estate as an alternative investment, driving the expansion of the global real estate market. Reports show that the professionally managed real estate investment market grew from $8.9 trillion in 2018 to $9.6 trillion in 2019. Demonstrating the industry's resilience and potential for further growth. Technology-driven platforms are revolutionizing property transactions and opening up new investment opportunities, while sustainable building practices are not only boosting property values, but also enhancing tenant satisfaction. This combination of factors is shaping a promising future for the real estate sector, attracting both investors and innovators alike. As we look ahead to the next decade, technology, speed, and disruption will define the trajectory of these 10 sectors. Each industry is undergoing rapid transformation, offering unprecedented opportunities for entrepreneurs to lead and innovate. The rise of billion-dollar companies across these sectors will redefine industry standards and drive global economic growth. By understanding the dynamic shifts and emerging trends within these industries, investors can capitalize on growth opportunities and navigate market uncertainties effectively. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the most profitable business sectors. If you found this video insightful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth analyses and insights. For further updates and discussions, visit our website at cryptogalorenews.live and follow us on Instagram at cryptonewsgalore. Stay tuned for our next video, where we delve into emerging trends and investment opportunities across diverse industries.